Is your auto repair shop attracting the right customers? Here are some questions to ask yourself. Is your shop highly visible on Google search? Does your website capture the interest of potential customers? Do you know that people want to see your shop before they choose it for vehicle services? These are all questions a modern auto repair shop should be asking. We are Powerfusion Digital Marketing, and we can help you boost your online visibility and get more customers. We can help you with building a high-performance website. We'll create a stable, user-friendly website on our fully managed WordPress hosting server. Improving your Google ranking. We'll optimize your website and manage your Google ads to increase your visibility. Managing your online reputation. We'll manage your Google business profile, including responding to reviews. Creating a 360-degree virtual tour. We'll shoot a high-quality virtual tour of your shop that you can share on your website to build trust and brand awareness. Ready to attract the right customers? Contact Powerfusion Digital Marketing today by visiting our website at www.powerfusion.com or call or text us at 602-688-9168.